Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade and welcome to my house. So we are getting ready to sell our home and I have learned a ton about staging your house to sell. So today I thought I would give you some of my best tips and tricks just in case you're doing the same. Starting with the front door. Go ahead and give your front door a fresh coat of paint and then add a wreath to welcome all of the prospective buyers in. Go ahead and grab a new welcome mat while you're at it. Just makes things feel that much more inviting. Oh, but that's just the beginning. Come on. When prospective buyers walk into your home, you want them to be hit with a delicious, fresh scent. So I like to light citrus scented candles and place them throughout. Let's talk art. This is a great tip for staging your house to sell, but also just for your life in general. When you're hanging art up, try to make sure the bulk of it is about at eye level. We're also using the art to kind of anchor this space because it's an open concept house. The art in these two corners establishes this as the living room. Also, the rug does the same thing. I've put a huge rug in this space since it's open to the dining room. And that again, it really grounds it as a room. Remember, you're not just selling the house itself, but you're selling the idea of how someone else can live here too. All right, so when we're looking at our bedrooms and thinking about staging them, I really like to take my cues from some of my favorite hotels. That means really cozy linens, maybe add some extra pillows. If you really want to take things up a notch, you can put fresh flowers next to the bed. The whole idea here is you're trying to appeal to the buyers and convince them that they too can jump right into this bed and be cozy in their house. So we all love photos of our friends and family, but when you're staging your house to sell, you're really trying to allow the buyer to envision themselves in the home. So go ahead and pack up any personal photos and just replace them with some decorative objects and accessories. Now when your friends come over, hopefully they aren't opening your linen closet, but when potential buyers come through, they definitely will. So go ahead and clean that baby out. Make space on the shelves because what you want to convey is the idea that this closet's so big, they can't even fill it up. There's definitely room for all of my stuff, like right here. You obviously want to clean your whole house, but pay special attention to the kitchen and the bathrooms. Don't forget, a clean house equals a well-maintained house. Once you've got your house spick and span, it's time to add in some inviting elements like fresh flowers. Reduce visual clutter by placing items in labeled bins. Go ahead and edit your bookshelves. Only display your prettiest books and arrange them in an aesthetically pleasing manner, like by color. And the last thing I like to do is go throughout the house and add some cozy touches, like soft throws and fluffy pillows. Well guys, that was a little bit exhausting, but I feel confident that my house is ready to sell. But I want to hear from you guys. Do you enjoy these tips? Are you interested in seeing some packing videos? Because I can definitely make that happen. Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time. It's gonna be a lot of packing.